In this video, we listed the 15 best Christmas finds for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name MultiMaker. The MultiMaker treat maker system is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for creating a variety of mini treats, including donuts, waffle bites, and mini cupcakes. Its compact and user-friendly design makes it ideal for both occasional bakers and those who love experimenting with new recipes. The appliance comes in an attractive cream color, blending seamlessly with most kitchen aesthetics. This device is perfect for quick and convenient preparation of snacks for family gatherings, parties, or personal indulgence. It features non-stick cooking surfaces that ensure effortless cleanup and consistent results. The MultiMaker's efficient heating system ensures even cooking, delivering perfectly baked treats every time. Given your interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, the MultiMaker treat maker system aligns well with your needs, offering a compact, multifunctional solution for creating delightful homemade snacks with minimal hassle. Product 2. Product name Genie Large Electric Heating Pad. The Genie Large Electric Heating Pad is an efficient and versatile solution designed to provide relief from back pain, cramps, and other muscle aches. Measuring 12 by 24 inches, its ample size allows coverage for multiple areas, including the neck, shoulders, back, and abdomen. This heating pad is equipped with user-friendly features like auto shutoff, ensuring safety and energy efficiency, and is machine washable for easy maintenance. Additionally, its soft, comfortable material enhances the overall soothing experience. This heating pad is FSA and HSA eligible, making it an accessible choice for those looking to utilize their flexible spending or health savings accounts. With customizable heat settings, it caters to varying preferences, providing a tailored approach to pain and stress relief. The Genie Large Electric Heating Pad is a practical, effective tool for daily comfort and well-being. Product 3. Product name EcoZ Ice Maker. The EcoZ Portable Countertop Ice Maker is a compact and efficient solution for creating ice quickly and conveniently. Designed to suit various settings, such as kitchens, offices, bars, and parties, it offers a blend of speed, ease of use, and functionality. Key features: rapid ice production, capable of producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, ensuring you have a steady supply of ice when needed. High daily output, generates up to 26 pounds of ice per day, making it suitable for households or small gatherings. Self-cleaning function, includes a self-cleaning feature, reducing maintenance time and ensuring hygienic ice production. Complete accessories, comes with ice bags, a scoop, and a basket, providing all the tools necessary for easy storage and handling of ice. Sleek design, the black finish adds a modern touch, blending seamlessly with most interior styles. Product 4. Product name Portable Bluetooth Party Speaker. The portable Bluetooth party speaker is designed for those who love to enjoy vibrant music experiences on the go, combining powerful audio performance with outdoor-friendly features. Delivering 160 W of peak power, it ensures a loud and immersive sound profile with deep bass that can fill outdoor spaces like backyards or campsites. Key features of the speaker include a large subwoofer, providing robust and punchy low frequencies ideal for parties and events. Its LED light show synchronizes with the music, adding a dynamic visual element to your gatherings, whether outdoors or indoors. The speaker's 15-hour battery life ensures extended playtime for long events, while its fast charging capability minimizes downtime, allowing you to quickly get back to the music. Product 5. Product name WissHouse Walkie Talkies. The WissHouse Walkie Talkies are rechargeable communication devices designed for kids and adults, making them an excellent choice for family outings, camping trips, or recreational games. With their long-range capabilities, they are ideal for outdoor adventures such as hiking or exploring, as well as indoor use for creative play and communication. Key features: rechargeable batteries. These walkie-talkies include rechargeable capabilities, offering convenience and sustainability without the need for constant battery replacements. Ease of use, designed with simplicity in mind, they are accessible for children as young as 3 years old, as well as older users, making them a versatile tool for families. VOX functionality, their voice-activated feature allows hands-free operation, which is particularly useful during activities that require constant communication. Built-in flashlight, each walkie-talkie is equipped with a flashlight, adding utility for nighttime adventures or emergencies. Product 6. Product name Skincare Set. The Sunday Riley Go to Bed with Me Complete Anti-Aging Evening Skincare Set is a curated collection of skincare products designed to rejuvenate and nurture the skin overnight. This set is ideal for those seeking an all-in-one solution to address signs of aging, improve skin texture, and achieve a glowing complexion. Key features. Comprehensive skincare routine. The set includes multiple products that work synergistically to cleanse, hydrate, and repair the skin while you sleep. Anti-aging benefits, targets fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone, helping to restore youthful skin. High-quality ingredients, infused with potent actives such as retinol, peptides, and hydrating agents that promote collagen production and skin cell renewal. Ease of use, comes with step-by-step instructions, making it user-friendly for beginners and seasoned skincare enthusiasts. Product 7. Product name Vinyl Record Player with Speakers. The vinyl record player with speakers is a versatile device designed for vinyl record enthusiasts who value high-fidelity sound and modern connectivity. Equipped with the magnetic cartridge AT3600L, it delivers precise and clear audio, preserving the rich tones of vinyl records. This turntable operates on a belt drive system with 2-speed options, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, catering to various record formats. Key features. High-fidelity audio. The AT3600L magnetic cartridge ensures detailed playback with minimal distortion, ideal for audiophiles who appreciate nuanced sound. Integrated speakers. Built-in speakers make the turntable a standalone unit, eliminating the need for external audio equipment, though it still supports external connections for an enhanced audio setup. Bluetooth connectivity. Modernizes the listening experience by allowing wireless playback from Bluetooth-enabled devices, merging classic and contemporary music playback options. Built-in phono preamp. The integrated preamp simplifies the setup process, enabling direct connection to amplifiers, powered speakers, or other audio systems. Product 8. Product name Ompuzzo's LED Mask. The Ompuzzo's LED Mask is a cutting-edge accessory perfect for Halloween, cosplay parties, costume events, and futuristic-themed gatherings. This light-up mask combines advanced gesture sensing technology with vibrant LED illumination to create dynamic facial transformations. Users can easily control its modes and designs with simple hand gestures, adding an interactive and immersive touch to their look. With its bright and customizable LED patterns, the mask allows wearers to switch between various light-up effects, making it versatile for both casual fun and professional costume use. It is designed to be comfortable and lightweight, ensuring wearability for extended periods during events. The Ompuzzo's LED mask is an ideal gadget for those seeking a standout feature in their costume arsenal, aligning with modern technology and aesthetic appeal. Its emphasis on innovation and creativity makes it a unique addition to the world of party and cosplay accessories. Product 9. Product name Baking Mat. The Amazon Basics rectangular silicone baking mat is a versatile and reusable kitchen tool designed to elevate your baking experience. This set includes 2 non-stick silicone mats, each measuring 16.5 inches by 11.6 inches, perfectly fitting standard baking sheets. Its neutral beige, gray color adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Key features. Non-stick surface. The mats eliminate the need for oils, sprays, or parchment paper, providing an eco-friendly and healthier baking option. Foods slide off effortlessly, reducing cleanup time. Food-safe material, made of food-grade silicone, the mats are BPA-free, ensuring they are safe for direct contact with food. Durability and reusability. these mats are built to withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius, making them suitable for use in ovens, microwaves, freezers, and dishwashers. Multi-purpose use, ideal for baking cookies, roasting vegetables, rolling dough, or even candy making. They provide a reliable surface for a variety of cooking tasks. Product 10. Product name Hammock. A hammock is a versatile and relaxing outdoor accessory designed for leisure and comfort. Its design typically consists of a durable fabric or mesh suspended between two anchor points, such as trees or posts. Hammocks are popular for use in various settings, including backyards, parks, campsites, and even as travel gear. Types and features. Two-person hammocks, designed to accommodate two individuals. These hammocks are wider and constructed with reinforced materials to support greater weight, making them ideal for couples or lounging with a friend. Tree hammocks. These are classic hammocks that use tree straps or ropes for suspension, allowing users to set them up in natural outdoor settings easily. Double hammocks. Similar to two-person hammocks, these provide ample space and support for two people. They are favored for their comfort and versatility. Portable hammocks. Lightweight and compact, these hammocks are perfect for travelers, hikers, or campers. They are often made of durable parachute nylon for easy transport and quick setup. Product 11. Product name Compression Packing Cubes. Compression packing cubes, such as those from Lean Travel, are a smart and efficient travel accessory designed to maximize luggage space. These cubes feature a double zipper compression system, allowing users to compress their clothing and other items to reduce volume, helping them fit more into their suitcase or backpack. This makes them ideal for travelers looking to organize their belongings while maintaining a neat and compact packing system. The cubes are available in various sizes, which allows for customized organization of different types of clothing and gear. The compression feature ensures that bulky items like jackets, sweaters, and shoes are packed tightly, saving space and preventing wrinkles. They also help in keeping clothes organized and easily accessible, which makes unpacking at your destination quick and convenient. Lean Travel's compression packing cubes are designed for durability and convenience, typically made from lightweight yet sturdy materials. The cubes are not only helpful for clothing but can also be used for toiletries, electronics, and accessories, making them a versatile addition to any travel gear. With the added benefit of helping to maximize luggage capacity while minimizing wrinkles and clutter, compression packing cubes are an excellent choice for efficient packing, whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a longer journey. Product 12. Product name Cactus Scratcher Back Scratcher. Their Cactus Scratcher Back Scratcher is an innovative and practical tool designed to provide effective itch relief for men, women, and kids. This back scratcher features a unique cactus-shaped scratching head that is gentle yet effective in soothing itchy spots. Its long handle extends up to 29 inches, allowing users to easily reach those hard-to-reach areas of the back, providing one-handed convenience and comfort. The retractable design makes it portable and easy to store, while its extendable feature ensures that it suits a variety of body types and heights. The ergonomic design of the blue-colored scratcher combines functionality with style, making it a versatile and user-friendly tool for everyday use. Product 13. Product name Rothwell 2-Watch Travel Case. The Rothwell 2-Watch Travel Case is a compact and durable storage solution designed to protect your wristwatches and smartwatch while on the go. This travel case is tailored to fit up to 2 watches, including larger models up to 50 mm in size, ensuring compatibility with both traditional wristwatches and modern smartwatches like the Apple Watch Series 8 or the Xiaomi Mi Band 7. The tough exterior provides robust protection against impacts and scratches, while the soft interior lining helps keep your watches safe from damage during travel. The case features a secure zipper closure, making it easy to store and access your timepieces. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Rothwell 2-Watch Travel Case offers peace of mind with its portable, space-efficient design. It is an excellent accessory for anyone who wants to keep their watches organized and protected, whether they own high-end watches, fitness trackers, or smartwatches. Product 14. Product name DSuckus 18 in 1 Snowflake Multi-Tool. The Dsuckus 18-in-1 Snowflake multi-tool is a versatile and portable tool designed for a wide range of tasks. This multi-tool features 18 functions, including a bottle opener, flat and Phillips screwdrivers, a wrench, and various other useful tools. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance while being compact enough for easy storage and transport. This tool is ideal for those who enjoy outdoor activities or need a handy solution for everyday repairs. With its unique snowflake shape, it makes a fun and practical gift, especially for Christmas or Father's Day. It is especially useful for campers, hikers, and individuals who appreciate functional, all-in-one gadgets. The set includes 2 tools, allowing users to keep one as a backup or share it with a friend or family member. Product 15. Product name: MOFT Phone Tripod Stand. The MOFT Phone Tripod Stand is a versatile and innovative accessory designed to enhance the user experience for iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 series users. This compact and lightweight tripod offers convenient features such as angle adjustment, allowing you to find the perfect position for capturing photos, videos, or video calls. The strong magnets built into the tripod provide a secure attachment, ensuring stability during use. Additionally, the tripod is MagSafe compatible, making it easy to attach and detach your iPhone without hassle. The Mover's invisible selfie stick tripod design offers an ultra-portable and sleek solution for users on the go, making it ideal for both casual photographers and content creators. Its jet black color ensures a stylish, professional look. This tripod stand is not only great for taking stable selfies but also doubles as a convenient hands-free stand for watching videos, attending virtual meetings, or recording content. Whether you're using your phone for vlogging, live streaming, or simply capturing memories, the MOFT Phone Tripod Stand is a must-have accessory that combines practicality, portability, and advanced features for a seamless experience.